My name's Dan and I'm a let me show you around the nether. My name's Dan and I'm a pig man hanging with my pig man gang, and we'll be found on the ground deep down in the nether. Nether region covered by a brown bit of leather with a wibble and a wobble through the purple portal. You're living in a world that will hurt all mortals. Stay alert or you'll hurt on the fall and the gorge, and the goal the result will be awful. Caution, you better